Hello guys, I am Mayuresh Kedari, currently pursuing final year of computer engineering from Indira College of Engineering and Management. I am here to share my learning experience at Impetus IT Services Private Limited. I would like to tell you that before joining Impetus Institute, I was a novice programmer and I did not know what programming actually is. I started as a self learner, but I was not able to understand all concepts. So I was in need of a mentor who can guide me. One of my friends suggested me to join Impetus. Later, when I got into my second year of engineering, I joined the Impetus Institute. And since then, I am a part of this fantastic institute. I have learned programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, as well as other computer courses like problem solving, data structures, and advanced data structures. Currently, learning database management system from a highly experienced and professional instructor, Rishikesh Sir. He is very dedicated to teaching. He can teach the novice, intermediate, and even advanced students very well through his structured teaching method and easily explains difficult concepts and makes sure that everyone understands them. He is very friendly instructor and clears all our doubts. Even a small or silly doubt could be easily clarified without any hesitation. Apart from the technical, he also helped me with other non-technical skills to upgrade myself. The non-teaching staff of Impetus also supports you in case you want to revise any topic or if you have missed any lecture. They also keep the attendance record of students so that each student could track their progress in the course they have enrolled in. I am very glad to be a part of the Impetus Institute and especially being a student of the Rishikesh Sir. I would recommend everyone to join Impetus and discover the incredible learning experience. Thank you.